What's up, y'all? It's Tony from the Tony Nero Show. Don't know why I do that when it's just a quick vlog. A couple updates real quick. So, as you know, the world of kids have been fixated on these like bubble popper things, and my kids fight over there every single morning. It's absolutely annoying. Can't stand it. Like, whose bright idea was it to create these little rubber poppets for kids to play with? I mean, I guess for kids who have ADD or behavioral issues, like, to help them concentrate and calm them down a little bit, but it's another freaking fidget spinner phase, and it's annoying because it costs money and the kids fight over it, and they just want fidget toys all freaking fidget day. I'm sick of it. Like, I'm tired. I'm sick of it. I'm not buying anymore. It's absolutely annoying as heck. Why? Nextly, yesterday was opening day for St. Louis for the Cardinals. Man, it felt great. We just haven't had anything like that in such a long time because of COVID, and actually getting to go there and be around people and see the magic of opening day for baseball is absolutely insane. I mean, like, we haven't had that in so long, and baseball opening day is definitely different than like football, basketball. Even the Masters, it's just different. Even the Masters is going on this weekend too, by the way. But opening day for baseball, it's a unique experience that you have to experience. You have to. Okay, so if you read the title to this video and you click the thumbnail to watch this video, then this is a portion you're waiting for. My 2018 Jeep Renegade can kiss my butt. Not that I don't like the car, love the car. I wish I would have got a Wrangler, but that's a whole different story for a whole different time. The issue is the oil consumption. So I have a 2.4 liter engine, and it's automatic, 2018. So also, if you have one of these Jeep Renegades, you probably have the same issue I have. The oil consumption is absolutely terrible. Absolutely terrible. I'm supposed to get an oil change every 5,000 miles, but I feel like I'm running out of oil every 3,000 miles. Like, not to the point where like my oil is dirty, but like to the point where like I can just feel the difference. My engine's hot, it's smoking, like I'm just running out of oil. And they have this temporary solution that's annoying. It's not really a solution either. So their temporary solution at the dealer I bought my vehicle from, which is what Chrysler, who makes Jeeps now, they own the Jeep brand. They want dealers to put like a white piece of tape or a line on a dipstick and have you come back in at 2,000 miles to check it. I don't mind that, except for one thing. They're only open through a certain time in the week, and I get off work at a weird time, and I had to take yesterday off just to get an oil change. So it's kind of annoying to me. Like, I can schedule accordingly for an oil change every 5,000 miles, but you're asking me to schedule for 2,000 and then come back at 5,000. But if there's something wrong with my car, you're going to take it from me, which means I need to be there to sign the paperwork for a rental car. And that's just annoying. And I was telling the guy, I was like, you know, last time I was in, I knew something was weird with my car when I got an oil change. And if I'm being honest, like the very first few times I got an oil change, the guy was like, hey man, make sure you're not running your oil too low before you come get an oil change. Like, I've always had a car where like if you missed like the oil change time, you had a few like extra 100 miles before you went in, and you were always safe. It's not, I don't feel that way right now. And 5,000 is pushing it for me, and it shouldn't be that way. It wasn't that way. It wasn't that way when I first got my Jeep, and now like progressively every oil change I get, it feels like I'm like 1,000 miles shorter before I have to get another oil change. So I told the guy, I was like, yeah, I'm positive you guys have to do an engine swap, and he's just like, well, we got to check and do all this stuff. I was like, no, it's got to happen. So 2,000 miles, I'm gonna go back and figure that out, and I'll let you guys know the progress and updates of that. It'll probably take me a month and a half to go through 2,000 miles the way I drive, so we'll find out. Side note, vlogging with this A7 III with the 24-105 is a B word. This thing is heavy to hold. Like, I'm just holding it out with my hand by the lens. Nope, never again. Nope, not doing that. I'm going back to how I used to vlog. I've talked about it. I thought it would be okay, but nope, not at all. Other than that, I'm Tony. Peace, peace.